To blur the background with your DSLR camera, whether it's a Canon, Nikon or any other brand, follow these 3 simple steps as the basics are the same for all. Let's get started. To blur the background of your subject, turn the camera on and set the mode dial to aperture priority. If your camera has the 1855mm kit lens, zoom in fully and set it to 55mm. Now rotate the scroll wheel to change the aperture value. You can see the value in the center circle. Set it to the lowest possible value. At 55mm, it will only go down to 5.6 and won't go any lower than this. It's very important to remember this. Keep your subject as close to the camera as possible and try to keep the background as far away from the subject as possible. This trick will give you the maximum background blur. I'll click a sample photo of these settings to show you how much background blur you can get. If you have any questions related to photography, feel free to ask in the comments and I'll definitely reply. Thanks for watching. Enjoy photography.